So before we start the video, I'd like to explain why I'm doing what I'm doing in the video. And this all started from my previous oil change before I led up to this point. So every 1,000 miles, I changed the oil on this bike. And within those 1,000 miles before I got to that point, I was riding my bike to work about 80 miles a day. And I also changed jobs, so my mileage was also varying, but I was still riding my bike to work every single day. I also did one track day, and I did a road trip on that bike from Long Island, New York, all the way to Pennsylvania, somewhere in the middle of Pennsylvania, that is. So it was about 198 miles that I did in total within 6 hours, for 6 hours straight. Wide open throttle, not letting off the pedal, only stopping for gas, that's it. And then, like I said, commuting every single day, back and forth. And I also did a couple of ride outs with my friends, cruising, stunt rides, whatever I did. So that Friday of when it happened, I was going to go to the dealership after work to go buy an oil filter and the engine oil for the bike. But on my way to work, the bike stalled on me at a light. Started the bike, got to the next light, bike stalled on me, started again, and then all of a sudden the bike was slowing down and slowing down. It had no power to the point it just could not run anymore. And I thought because it was getting close to the time where I would also have to check for the valves, adjust the valves and stuff like that, or at least check the valve clearances. That's what I thought. Until I checked the oil after, and it seems like that road trip that I did from Pennsylvania, just being wide open throttle all the time, all the engine oil was getting pushed out from the crankcase breather hose right back into the intake and going right into the combustion chamber and burning it. So essentially, I burned off so much oil during that road trip that I was running low on oil, and I never checked the oil after that. Probably should have, and that costed me a whole motor. So here we are with the Z125 Pro with a blown up engine, and I'm putting in an engine that has a little over 900 miles. Enjoy. Yeah, I just let the engine run for a bit, let the, check the oil level, top it off a little bit. Everything seems to run fine. Everything seems to be good. Now I have a spare engine with a couple of spare sensors and stuff I could probably salvage, like a stator. Clutch is no good. That's like a 300-mile clutch though. Springs may be salvageable. Lightweight primary gear, maybe. Other than that, hopefully this gave you an idea of what it is like to replace a whole engine for a Z125 Pro. This one's a 2018. This engine only has 987 miles. So this thing is a baby. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. So that'll be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you're up to date on when new videos get uploaded. You can check out my social media links. You can check me out on Twitch. And I do have stickers on Etsy, so feel free to check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This just feels like hell. The faces in my nightmares. I can run, but there's no hiding. Your voice just sounds like